Welcome to Flipped Classroom. Today is a preview of the final exam. I'll begin by showing you how to locate the final exam. Start by going to the module. In the module, it'll say Final Exam. Click on Final Exam. Even though the final exam is 2 hours, when you're reading the instructions, the timer doesn't begin until you click Start. So you're welcome to read these directions before you begin and spend as much time as necessary. It'll even tell you how to prepare for the final exam. You should begin by reviewing the lecture notes on argument essay. Also, review the lecture notes on summarizing and quoting. Read The Case for Reparations by Ta-Nehisi Coates, and you can watch the book talk for Ta-Nehisi Coates as well. You will be writing an argument essay. All the information you need for the works cited page will be provided in the exam. For in-text citations, all you will need to do is use lead-ins. Once you begin the test, you need to take the test. So once you're done with the directions and you've clicked on Start the Exam, you must take the exam. In other words, you can't open up the exam, look at the question, decide, oh, it's too hard, I want more time to study, close the exam and take it another day. No, just like in a regular classroom, once you've been given a paper copy of an exam, you need to take the exam. You can't just hand it back to the professor and say, I think I'll take it another day. That also means you need reliable internet to take this test. If you do not have a reliable internet connection, please contact 24 hours before taking the test so I can arrange for you to have a solid internet connection. Having technology problems in the middle of the test does not excuse you from taking the test. If you do have a technology problem, please call the Canvas help. If there's a technology problem, do not email me because that'll cause a delay and you will miss the deadline. The Canvas Help Desk is open 24 hours and can immediately provide you technology assistance. Now I will go through the steps of taking the final exam. You will begin by clicking Take the Quiz. That is when the timer starts. Once again, you will see the timer in the right-hand corner. When you scroll down, the directions will be posted. You will see them. Right now they are crossed out. When you begin the exam, the directions will be posted, and then under the directions there will be a writing prompt. You will see the writing prompt once you begin the test. Do not share this writing prompt with any of your classmates. I will also provide you a suggested essay structure. You do not have to follow this outline. It is just a suggestion. You will be typing your essay in the box, very similar to how you typed a blog. Some students like to type their essay on a word processing document. And then they like to copy and paste it into the box. Please test the copy-paste function on your computer before you take this step. If your computer does not allow you to copy and paste, that can be problematic. When you're done with the essay, when you're done with typing your essay, hit Submit Quiz. It will let you know that you've done your attempt, how long it took. Everybody's score will be at 0 as soon as you submit it. Because the computer can't score the essay, I need to manually go in there and do it. Those are the steps to taking the final exam. Best of luck. And thank you for joining me today in Flipped Classroom.